Hey designers, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add grid lines, guides, and rulers in Canva, tools that can take your designs from messy to perfectly aligned in just a few clicks. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, mastering these features will make your workflow smoother and your layouts more professional. Let's dive in. Accessing the File menu. First, open your design in Canva. At the top of your screen, click on File. This is where Canva hides some of its most powerful settings that you might not be using yet. The drop-down menu gives you access to features that can really level up your design game. Enable rulers and guides next. Look for Settings in that drop-down. Click it and then select Show Rulers and Guides. Once you do this, you'll see Wiki's rulers appear along the top and left edges of your canvas. These rulers let you measure and position elements with incredible precision, something that's essential if you want your designs to look polished. Adding custom guides. Now, here's where it gets really handy. With the rulers visible, go back to File and choose Add Guides. You can now click and drag from the rulers to create horizontal or vertical guides. Place them wherever you need alignment, whether it's centering text, spacing out images, or lining up icons. These guides are completely customizable and make designing way faster. A quick tip, guides and rulers don't show up in your final design, so you can experiment freely without affecting your export. Pair them with Canva's snapping feature, and you'll notice how quickly your elements snap into place, creating clean, professional layouts every time. Trust me, once you start using guides and rulers, you'll wonder how you ever designed without them. And that's it. Adding grid lines, guides, and rulers in Canva is that simple, but the impact on your design workflow is huge. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover more advanced Canva hacks. Thanks for watching and happy designing.